Hi guys, so now I'm doing an unboxing of some items I just picked up when I was in Abu Dhabi. These are some fantastic cigar cases. Yeah, this is I can't even pronounce it, but it's some type of wood. But yeah, I'll get into it quickly. It's an American brand from what I gather. It's just very nice looking sort of case, you know, just unusual. If you notice, I like my very special limited edition rare cases like this cigar case I have here. This is obviously crocodile. You know, these are all handmade to order, so if you're interested, just message me and we can discuss. You know, but you can see your compartments for your cigars, well, the lighters rather. Then this is a cutter in here, or two lighters, cutter, lighter, cutter, whatever. Cigars go in here, all handmade. But yeah, so let's do this one here. I just want to be careful because I don't want to damage the obviously the item inside. Just voila. Benchmark, it says, kick like that. You get some. So I remember when I was speaking to the owner, who is a fantastic guy. You should check him out in Abu Dhabi, actually, tobacconist. They sell very unique items. But yeah, so you get these as well, and I'll walk you through how that works in a minute. And this, so this is all empty now. I'll just chuck this away with this wrapper. I don't think we need that one. And made in the USA. Let's open this up. Pull this out. Peel this. Isn't this beautiful? The way it's just nicely packaged. Then I'll bring this out like so. Boom. Look, guys, isn't this gorgeous? This is all natural wood. Isn't this amazing? Like the finish, how nice it looks. The natural effect of the wood, you know, just looks really good. Although it's just, okay, I guess it's some cloth stuck in the wood there, but isn't this immaculate? And that's where you put the cigars. I brought a few cigars here to sort of show you. Let's see how many fit inside. I'm combining the New World and the Cuban cigars. Let's see. Still got some space in there. I think space for one more guava. Just about, not really. I wouldn't force it in, but yeah. I've got like 4 cigars there, you know, different sizes. And this closes like so. Beautiful. Beautiful. You know, I'm just noticing like this break there. I don't know if it's part of the, I guess it's just natural wood, right? Although here I noticed some chips there on the edge, which is fine, but it's just a little bit annoying. But it's part of the effect, I guess. I don't know if you can see it there, like the whole chipping on the edge there. Apart from that, it's you know, it's how it was shipped, obviously, to the seller. So the company need to do more checks on these things, because that is very annoying. And for some reason, I'm only just seeing it now. But anyway, apart from that, I like the detail. You know, elegant case. What are your thoughts? Actually, I'll show you the other one quickly. Just push this aside. I'll pop this over here for now. What I'll do is I'll pop this in just to avoid damaging the actual this out. And similar concept again. You get the card, the refills, which go the humidifier things, which again there's an instruction booklet on how you manage that one. And I'll move this one aside for now. And then you guys can compare and tell me what you think of the two different types of cases. Let's do it this way. Boom. Just look at this beautiful bad boy. What I like in this one is the detail. See the detail? Beautiful, no? Beautiful. This is exceptionally good looking. Similar again. So you can have this of them side by side. Which do you prefer? All natural wood with cedar wood inside. It's just the detail for me. Every piece is unique. Every piece tells its own story. Isn't this amazing? But yeah, guys, so go look them up. Tobacconist, and I would probably be able to get you these if you need them. Oh, beautiful stuff. Beautiful stuff. You know, and of course, if you need any of the exotics, just message me. It's all bespoke. It's all members only, but I can actually, you know, because of my YouTube channel, I can hook you guys up, should I say. This is what this looks like inside. It's got a zip. Again, compartments for your lighters. Cutter there. Space for storing business cards. Cigars go in here. Closes like so. This is really slim as well, this one. And soft, you know, despite it being crocodile, with just a little touch of yellow there, just to sort of, you know, you can see the sort of hair over there to tell you it's all authentic. Handmade, by the way. Everything is handmade. You know, with antelope leather there. Again, you have a pick over here or a pen, depending on whatever you want to put inside. But yeah. Well, thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions and I'll do my best to get back to you. But yeah, have a lovely rest of the week. Goodbye.